This week we're going to a hotel on the top of a mountain in Switzerland. Step 1, get to Zermatt. You take the train, it's beautiful. Spend the night in the base village if you want. It's a car-free city, so you have to take one of these tiny cars, or a horse I guess. The Omnia has an amazing pool, swim in it if you would like to, I suppose. Zermatt looks up at the Matterhorn, or the Murderhorn if you've spent way too much of your life watching The Simpsons. To get to the top of the mountain you have to take another train, and you pass skiers, which is a bit of a weird thing to do on a train. Now you're at the hotel where Lindsay is going to take some pictures for tourists. Don't forget to use your pop-up flash. Now for some hot cheese in the patio. It's busy now, but by 6 p.m. you will have this place completely to yourself for all of the photography you want. This is the best room view in the world, I think. The hotel is also a proper observatory, so get your astrophotography on. Then you go home, unless you decide to live here, which would be expensive and somewhat inconvenient for getting groceries.